Hello guys, and welcome to welcome to Monster Talk Tournament 4 with Hanu.
Hi. Wait, you forgot to say my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, this is also E-Man, aka Sue. That is Corvette versus Carfor.
I think I'm going for a Carbonator.
And Corvette wins. Demo Derby versus Night.
I think I'm going for
Night Shifter.
Night Shifter. 3, 2, 1, go.
Demo number 4. How about this number 4 versus
This
5?
one, because the second one for the past 2 rounds, it's cursed me. So I'm going for Hot Wheels number 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and at least I got it right. Hot Wheels number 4 wins.
Hot Wheels Logo Delivery versus Mega Rex.
Megarex. Semifinals.
Corvette versus Demo Derby.
Demo Derby. Even though he won in the last match. Yes!
Hot Wheels versus number 4 versus Burger Delivery. Who are you going for?
Burger Delivery.
Or Hot Wheels Burger Delivery, yeah?
Yeah. Because I love food. Bob's Burgers. Bro, what the heck? Hot Wheels third place playoff.
With this Corvette versus Hot Wheels Burger Delivery.
Again.
Go. Just go.
Burger Delivery again. Yes. Welcome to the grand finals where we have these two. Can you say the names for me?
Demo Derby versus Hot Wheels versus number 4. This is going to be a best out of. Who are you going for in the finals?
I will go for Demo Derby since they won in the semifinal. 1 out of 3.
Oh!
That.
Demo Derby.
Let's go.
No, for second race. We have to switch them around.
3.
Demo Derby the winner.
Wait, last round you said number 3.
Yeah,
That's
Demo Derby.